Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the particle blur effect just for the background. Alright, select your video or photo you like to edit, and for example I'm going to select photo and go to the effect, and then you can select the opening and closing, and you can find the particle blur. Just download this effect and add the track, and it has for the duration in the same line. So adjust for the blur option. Alright, select the clips and create compound clip. Right click, create compound clip. Add the same photo as an overlay, put on top another clip, and then you are just going to go to cutout, select go to cutout or remove the background. So this is the final effect you'll have on your photo or on your video. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.